Waste time with the masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece.
Ready? It's a little slowed down. You can do it. 5, 6, 7. We're gonna tiptoe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left for 2. Right for 2. Turn it. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Macarena. Turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Knee. 1, 2, 3. Left. 5, 6, 7. Top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double wave. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Fantastic job. Let's try it up to tempo. Here we go. Ready? You got it. 5, 6, tiptoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Part 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6, 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3. Turn it. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And Macarena. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Turn. 3. Left foot. 5, 6, 7. Top. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. Good job, part 2. Let's try it without cueing. Here we go.
Not so serious, girl, why those feet cold? We just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe. Waste time with the masterpiece, to waste time with the masterpiece. You should be rolling me, you should be rolling me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me.